intelligent AI mimics human cognitive abilities and is improving various while improving its quality care. AI improves everyday interaction and raises challenges related to data privacy in higher education and helps students make research and state-free recommendation, transforming access to improving and learning. Mersifation, what use does as an economic AI have for writing skill? My course of study investigate the benefit of economic AI in improving writing skill, focused on youth center student at Uinmataram. And next, the method. In a study conducted by research, the method used was qualitative research in which data analysis instrument and interview were applied. The qualitative approach aims to explain phenomena, perception, and behavior and present them according to the facts in the pilot. Waruku 2021. Instrument is in my research, I use the two techniques in my method. The first is the document analysis. In this study, the first procedure carried out was the document analysis. The purpose of this analysis was to explore information regarding the use of economic AI technology in improving the writing skill of each semester student in the MS study program at Uinmataram. AI-powered digital writing tool can enhance the FL student academic English writing skill. Step include collection document correspond relate to the comparison of the use of economic AI before and after its use. The results of this analysis are expected to provide a strong foundation regarding the benefit of using economic AI in writing skill. And the next is I use the interview. After I use the document analysis, I'm interviewing my respondent, and I can get the response about the benefit of use the economic AI. Next, the result. The use of economic AI has a positive impact on writing skill, increasing student confidence in writing essay. Feature of economic AI, grammar and vocabulary correction, instant feedback, and improvement suggestion in the writing skill. And the next is based on the result. The use of economic AI has a positive impact on writing skill. The increase the confidence in writing essay. The feature of economic AI, grammar and vocabulary correction, instant feedback, and improvement suggestion. The benefit for students to improve writing quality, more independent learning, and encourage critical thinking about what the respondent writes in the economic AI can be improved the writing